Hey guys, this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Welcome to our showroom. We've got a new space now. We've got all of our machines set up. Wanted to talk to you today about adding vapor honing to your shop. Why it's going to revitalize your ride. It's going to help you improve your service work. Using wet blasting equipment, of course there's no magical tool. There's no one option that's better than any other. There are just advantages to certain things. Like the wet blasting equipment, we've got here the 800 FL. We've also got the 800 FL Pro. This one is stainless steel. This one's made out of HDPE. It really depends on the magnification of how much you're going to be doing in your shop, the results you're looking for, and what's going to work best for you. With wet blasting, we find that a lot of times it's going to be a more consistent finish. There's not going to be material removal. It's not going to be heat warping. Of course, there's no dust because there's water. It's really just going to be an improvement in your overall process. It's going to save you time in comparison to dry blast as well as hand cleaning parts. So consider what your application is, what your results need to be, what you're looking for, and then give us a call. Let us know how we can be of service. We can talk to you about your air pressure, your CFM needed. We can talk to you about abrasives that are needed. We can also talk to you about our lifetime warranty and our upgrade option without depreciation. So please give us a call today. Let us help you out. Our number is 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.